This is a Brock string. It's a tool used to train the eyes, especially for convergence and eye strain. And this is my version of it that made it 100% smarter. But before I tell you why I built this one versus the traditional one, we need to rewind a bit. While this tool can help you improve your vision, the traditional ones that you can get online, they come with 3 flaws. Once you pull the string towards your nose, the whole thing will vibrate just like a guitar string. And the second flaw is you cannot change the beats by yourself. You need to have someone help you, especially if you got the 10-foot one. And the third and the most annoying aspect is once you pull the string, the diameter of the string will shrink, so the beats will become free and they will slide. So as an engineer, I refuse to use this tool without improvements. So what I did here is I solved these 3 issues by building my own beaded string. And here's a closer look at my version of the beaded string. When you pull the string, the beads are snug. That's because I made a second loop, so the bead will just slide, and once you pull, it will stay snug. It won't move. And by adding a ring when you pull it towards your nose and a hook to the wall, and with that I was able to run the string in a loop, so you can just pull one end and move the entire beads back and forth. And with this simple solution, you don't need to have someone help you. You can train your eyes and move the strings back and forth so the beads are snug, and you can still move everything all the way to 10 feet and back to your nose at your fingertip. And if you wonder where you can get this beaded string from, I will leave a link in the description. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.